Hi, I'm Sophie, and I'd love to tell you a little bit more about my human design discovery readings. Firstly, welcome. Welcome to my little space on the internet, and welcome to the fascinating but sometimes confusing world of human design. I'm here to help you get a more clear and concise understanding so that you don't fall down that rabbit hole and get completely confused and stuck in your human design experiment. So whether you're brand new to human design or you've been experimenting a little while, I can help you no matter which. My human design discovery sessions are completely tailored just for you. Your design, your level will work out where you're at and what it is that you need to know right now. Of course, you could spend hours Googling away and reading all the books, but you'd much prefer to have someone to break it down for you so you can walk away with really practical guidance on how you can actually go through your experiment with human design. Because that's what it's all about, an experiment. So I've been on my own human design experiment for over a decade now, and I've been consciously guiding my clients through theirs for the past couple of years. During this session, we'll unpack your chart and I'll highlight to you the most important areas and translate them into easy, understandable language and format so that you can go away with practical guidance on how to actually implement this knowledge in your life. So wherever you are right now in your experiment, that's where we'll start. I'll send you some questions beforehand to gauge your current level of knowledge and what it is you're seeking to discover. What you'll get from this session, what you'll walk away with, is a grounded understanding of your chart for the level that you're at right now and practical tools to help you along your transformational journey. I look forward to discovering your human design with you, and I would be honored to guide you along this journey.